doing something wrong. Again, that's why I said I want you to come in with an open mind as you're looking at this and kind of get rid of everything that you thought you knew about it, right? And if you come with an open mind, you'll see a lot more success, right? So now let's take a look at 3 of the fastest, most common methods to get your content created. The first is you can get someone else who loves writing to write it for you. Short, 25, 35 pages, easy to find these people. They are everywhere, everywhere, right? The second way is to speak it and then have it transcribed. Simple, cost effective, really easy to do. The third way is to write it yourself, right? To write it yourself. Let's take a quick poll really quickly. Which of these options would you choose? Would you choose number 1, would you get someone else to write it for you? Number 2, would you speak it and have it transcribed? Number 3, would you write it yourself? And no, you don't want to use Fiverr to hire anyone because again, we're using high quality content, right? And I've not had good experiences with Fiverr with finding writers. So 2 and 3, all right. Number 1, number 2. All right, awesome. So we've got a pretty big mix here. So some people are saying number 1, some people are saying number 2, some people are saying number 3. So how many people want to find out what site I use to hire ghostwriters from? Would you like to see that? Maybe if we get enough people, I can actually go in and I can show you guys. All right, so let me know. So let's see who's saying yes here. All right, so let's do this. So I'm gonna go in and really quickly, I'm gonna go over to one of the sites that I like to get ghostwriters from. And I actually have to pause my screen because I'm gonna log in. So I don't want to share any login information. And now I'll unpause. And you guys should be able to see my screen. So let me know if you could see it now. All right. So you should see, what side am I on? I'm on Guru, right? Guru.com. All right, perfect. Thank you, Marsha. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Melina. All right, perfect. So now here's how I do this. So I'll go over to Guru. This is one of my sites. I have a few different sites that I like to use. This is probably my second favorite right now. Second favorite site. So I'll put up a posting here. So look at this one here, 25-page report on how to write a novel. Here's a 25-page mini reports needed, various topics. Here's another one, 25-page report on personal development. What else do I have up here? 25-page report on keto dieting for beginners. Software, no, that's a software project that I have up here. Let's look at this one right here, 25-page report on personal development. And you can also list projects for, again, you can use sites like this for both fact and fiction. So if you look at this post, right, I've got a project where I'm looking for people to write romance, crime, mystery, religious, inspirational, science fiction, fantasy, horror, children's books. So you can go all over the place. Right, so we'll look at this one now. Here's what I want you to notice. Take a look at the price points here. So I typically do not pay more than $150 to have my content created. And this is content that comes from very skilled writers, people who are professional authors, people who have published books themselves, right? So let's look at some of the price points here. 150, 175. These are bids that are coming in. 240, 125. Now I want you to note a few things here. 125, 150, 150, 110, 150, 150, 150 here, 100, 100 here. Now here's the thing. When I'm hiring people, I only like to hire from certain countries. And I like to hire from English speaking countries specifically. So if you notice, here's someone from the US that bid 175. Here's someone from my home state of Connecticut that bid 240. And we can usually negotiate those prices down. Here's someone from Michigan that bid 150. Here's someone from Canada, which I would also hire from, that bid 150. California, safe pay 150. So Canada 110. So do you see where you can really get some amazingly skilled people that will write your content for you? All right. Naugatuck, Waterbury says, Bobby, I'm actually from Bridgeport originally. All right.